son lazy because I knew that's not it, so I take responsibility too. We're going to get therapy for us as parents, as a very kind Redditor suggested. Well, what do you think? Would it be okay to return his Christmas gifts or not? Please let us know. Karen gets mad at me for not issuing a marriage license. Hey everyone, a little background info before we start. I work at a town hall. One of my tasks is issuing marriage licenses when lockdown restrictions ease up like they have. So, on to the story. This happened today. I had an appointment to issue a license, marriage license. I grab my mask, sanitize my hands, grab the different documents, and head down to one of our 10 by 10 rooms, big enough to have people standing 6 feet apart. Since the town hall's doors are locked to avoid walk-ins, I had to meet them at the door. Right away, Miss Karen had no mask. When I asked her to wear one, she said she was exempt, showing me a screenshot of a U.S. exemption. We're in Canada. We're not allowed to ask people for proof, so I just dealt with it and pretend like she never showed me. I didn't ask. I asked her to sanitize her hands. Again, there was refusal. Oh well. So we walk into the room. Our process for a marriage license is to have them bring their application, any prior divorce or death certificates, and IDs. I asked her if her partner was going to show up, and she said yes. So we wait for about 10 minutes. This puts the appointment a little late. We have 30 minutes for each appointment, and I had one in another room right after. Partner arrives, we exchange pleasantries, and we get started. I already checked their IDs and application by email, so I quickly recheck and write the info down on the marriage license. From there, I get into the lockdown questions. 1. Where is your wedding being held at? Answer. Inside the church at X Street. No big deal. We still allow church weddings if the group is less than 10. 2. Will you be having a reception? If yes, where? Answer. Yes, and at X Banquet Hall. Red flags are sailing, so I ask the third question. 3. How big is the group of attending? Answer. All giddy. Well, for my group there's about 93 guests, and his side there will be 80 or so. We have more coming to the reception. I think in total there will be 200 people or so. I looked up at her from the license, looked to the guy, looked back at her, and explained that I couldn't issue a marriage license with a gathering that large. Indoors has to be less than 10, including the couple and the officiant. Outdoors can be 30, including the 3. Well, Karen immediately flips her crap, telling me I'm infringing her right to get married, that this is all a scam, that she should be allowed to get married because she's been planning this for 3 months and already paid for all the food, etc. I tried to de-escalate, telling her I couldn't because it's against the law. I handed her a pamphlet with lockdown safe marriage info and went to walk them out. She's still throwing a tantrum. She demands to speak to my manager, so I call her down. My manager was already busy dealing with other stuff, so she wasn't in the best mood. The Karen says I was belligerent, calling her names, didn't accept that she wouldn't wear a mask, etc. My manager looked... Hey there, Mr. Reddit here. Welcome back to another episode of Hey there, Mr. Reddit here. Welcome back to another episode of r/entitled Parent Stories. Our first story we'll be reading today. Karen hid my credit card from me and claimed...
Hello friends, and welcome back to r/Pro Revenge. Today we have another brand new set of crazy revenge stories for you. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video every single day. And our first story is, keep calling, enjoy your angry customers. The cell number I have was given to me. It was never used before. Everything was all well and good until a few years ago when I started getting random calls and messages on my voicemail. These calls were from my local area Home Depot store. I started calling them back, advising that they had the wrong number, but that didn't stop the calls. I even stopped by the store to let them know I had listed their regional manager or a person with authority as my number. No result. I tried to be nice. That didn't work. Here's what got results instead. A few days after I'd stopped by my local HD, I got a message on my mobile while I was in class mentioning a local store and an issue with staffing. I called the number back and told the person who called that I'd take care of the issue. A few days later, again while I was in class, I see the same number come up on my phone, and I bolt for the classroom door, excitedly answering the call in the hallway. It's Kathy at the local area store. Kathy tells me she's got a customer who says they've paid for their order, but she can't find it in the system. I tell her to send the